Hello, I'm Tomasz from ComView product marketing team. Let me introduce to you our product lineup. Modular designs are gaining traction with industrial automation customers for several reasons. Just to mention a few key benefits, like shorter time to market, flexibility and scalability. Customers can switch between CPU families, generation and SKUs with ease. And then software portability. We are actually the driving force behind several key, most popular open standards on the market, and we work with all CPU vendors like Intel, AMD, NXP, MediaTek, Qualcomm and Ampere. So let me show you what standards do we present here, starting with COM HPC, which target high-performance computing. It's close architecture, x86 ARM, and with designs of up to over 200 watts. Then we also offer a wide range of COM Express modules. That's x86 architecture with designs up to 75 watts. And then last but not least, we also have a full range of smart modules, those tiny modules with TDP under 15 watts and cross architecture, x86 or ARM. So we just don't offer modules, we also offer IPI development kits. With our development kits, customers can start working on their POC right away. IPI website offers online shop with a wide range of development kits, and there is online support, forum, and so on and so on. So a lot of information that is useful for customers can be found online. And then we also offer different services like custom career board design and lifecycle management. So if you have any questions, reach out to us and we are happy to help you.